No, Daddy. No. What's up, YouTube family? It's Keeping Up with the Griffins, and we are back with another video. Not only just a video, but a fidget video.
Video. Today we doing no budget fidget shopping.
Yay!
So that means you get whatever you want, no budget, no price limit, whatever you want. No budget fidget shopping.
Y'all about to go off the wall with this one.
It's gonna be fun. We're going to two stores that we haven't went to yet. Hobby Lobby and Ollie's. But before we get into that, we want to welcome everyone back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing to us. Thank you for watching us and supporting us. And for those of you who haven't subscribed to us, we want to give you this opportunity to subscribe to us.
Yes, go ahead and click that red button and subscribe to us, please.
Do that because you're missing out on a lot of fun videos. So make sure you subscribe, watch this video, like, comment, then subscribe.
Yep.
Y'all ready?
Let's get this show started.
Yeah, those are fidgets.
Stress ball.
I've tried these before.
Oh, I need this. I need it. I need this.
You need a stress ball?
No, I mean I like it. I need it. See, look.
It's like the DNA ball, right?
Yeah. Look at that. I need it. Get it.
I got an orange one, and I got a blue one. What's trying to help me? Because you know how I do.
It's just considered as a fidget.
Whatever you got.
That's cool.
It's so damn cute.
What is it?
That's
It's like a color mix thing.
Oh, cool.
That was in TikTok. That was on TikTok.
What are these? These are animals?
Okay. Well, I definitely do that.
Ooh, look at this one, y'all. This is very relaxing.
I need this. So I'm going to add it to my collection.
I think I want this one.
We back.
Back and we got some goodies.
Went to Hobby Lobby, found a few things. Now we're about to go to Ollie's. Y'all ready to go do this
Y'all
again?
ready? Yay!
Don't hurt me too much.
Yeah, it's going to
Yeah,
hurt.
Hobby Lobby kind of shocked me a little bit.
It's going to hurt.
You heard
It's going to hurt bad.
It's good.
Well, we done said it now, so they're looking forward to it.
All right, well, no budget. Let's do it.
No budget. No budget. No budget. Alright, guys. Time to go to Ollie's. Shot till we drop.
Kinetic sand? You see?
This is easy. Daddy, this is fidget.
What it feel like?
It feels good.
It feels like a fidget.
Found a fidget.
I tried that one and it's hard.
What is it?
I have no idea.
Slime.
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 So we got some slime, 2 kinetic sands, and we got whatever this thing called. And we got some monster treats. Treats. Ow.
No budget, right?
No budget.
You gonna find what you got?
I don't know. This is painted slime, and whatever Jakey put in here is, oops, sorry. Hobby Kids Adventure. Make sure you all check them out. Okay, so we got 3 kinetic sands up in here. What is it? And I got this. We're getting it. You have to put something in your mouth. Put the seed out. Put that in.
You got it. Like you're struggling. This says squishy art. Look at this. Sweet scented. Sweet lifestyle squishies. Look at this, Joe. They got the cinnamon.
We got a lot of fidgets in Hobby Lobby.
So we have the soda slime pack, the orange, cherry, grape, lemon, lime, squishy, scratchy slime. Y'all, what do you guys think? We should get this one? It's only $2.99.
Oh yeah.
So put the others back and get this one.
Get it.
Mom, put the other ones back. So this one says coffee cinnamon donuts. OMG. You know we gotta get this because I love coffee. So we're gonna get this one as well. And it's only $2.99. I'm gonna get a different one because this price is cut off. So hopefully I don't eat it. Okay. So is that it, guys? No, Daddy. No. Let's fix it, man. We had to run. We didn't want to get in trouble.
So y'all leave me to get set up.
Pretty much.
Y'all ain't right. Y'all ain't right at all. Alright, y'all. So we got almost a basket full.
Yeah, that is a basket full.
No budget.
No budget. This is all we have right now. So we about to head to the cashier, check this stuff out.
This is heavy. Excellent.
Alright, so that was our adventure for no budget fidget shopping today. We found a lot of good stuff. We had a lot of fun. The slime was cool. The kinetic sand was even better, but I love these a lot. So I really love these a lot.
I love this one.
Oh yeah. I love this one because it shows like the pink thing like this. Thank you.
So now we want to give a few shout outs, and we thank y'all for subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing if you share. We just want to thank y'all for everything.
Yes, we appreciate y'all.
Really
so
appreciate
much.
that. Love the support. So stay tuned for more videos. We got a lot of stuff coming up for the summer. A lot of videos coming up. So y'all make sure y'all tune in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Kylie, you want to tell them what to do?
Right there, you subscribe, turn on notifications, and we will see you in the next video.
Alright, so we kind of want to show y'all all the fidgets we got today. I think this is the most fidgets we found in all the fidget videos we did, part 1 and part 2. This is the most fidgets we found. So we want to show y'all what we got all together.
Oh my gosh, I hate this part. Oh my gosh, this smells so good.
I love this one.
I'm gonna take this to work.
I think I'm gonna take mine to work too.
And you don't get in trouble, are you?
I really love this. I love this. Look at it.
Oh!
Hell, Daddy!
So messy. Oh my god.
Ew.
Slime.
That don't get on your nail.
What kind of consistency is this?
That don't get on your nail.
Alright, so now we're gonna mix these slimes up. All of these. And see what we get.
Okay, ready? Go. Take this one out. Oh my gosh, this was sweet. Okay, now. Alright. Oh, come on.
Mix them up.